Gisele Bündchen, born the 20th of July 1980, is a Brazilian model and activist. Since 2001, she has been one of the highest paid models in the world. In 2007, Bündchen was the 16th richest woman in the entertainment industry and earned the top spot on Forbes' top earning models list in 2012. In 2014, she was listed as the 89th most powerful woman in the world by Forbes. Vogue credited Bündchen with ending the heroin chic era of modeling in 1999. She was a Victoria's Secret angel from 1999 until 2006. Bündchen is credited with pioneering and popularizing the horsewalk, a stomping movement where a model lifts her knees high and kicks her feet to step. In 2007, Claudia Schiffer called Bündchen the only remaining supermodel. She has appeared on more than 1,200 magazine covers. Bündchen was nominated for Choice Movie Female Breakout Star and for Choice Movie Villain at the 2005 Teen Choice Awards for her supporting role in Taxi 2004. She had a supporting role in The Devil Wears Prada 2006 and was the executive producer of an educational environmental cartoon, Gisele and the Green Team, in 2010 to 2011. In 2016, Bündchen appeared in the Emmy Award-winning documentary series Years of Living Dangerously in the episode Fueling the Fire. Her charitable endeavors include Save the Children, the Red Cross, and Doctors Without Borders. Bündchen has been a Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations Environment Program since 2009. Gisele Bündchen, a sixth-generation German-Brazilian, was born on the 20th of July 1980 in Horizontina, Rio Grande do Sul, to Valdir Bündchen, a university professor, and Vania Nonenmacher, a banker. Her grandfather, Walter Bündchen, once served as mayor of Horizontina. Bündchen grew up with 5 sisters, including a fraternal twin. The family is Catholic. Although her parents speak German and Bündchen learned German in school, she no longer speaks the language. Besides her native Portuguese, Bündchen speaks English, Italian, Spanish, and French. Personal life, from 2000 to 2005, Bündchen was in a relationship with actor Leonardo DiCaprio. In 2004, Bündchen and DiCaprio made People's annual Most Beautiful Couples list. After experiencing a period of depression, Bündchen decided to end her relationship with DiCaprio after she felt their lifestyles no longer complemented, saying in her memoir lessons, "I was becoming more and more aware of things that I'd chosen not to look at. Was I alone in wanting to do some serious soul-searching while he stayed the same?" In the end, unfortunately, the answer was yes. In December 2006, Bündchen began dating NFL quarterback Tom Brady after a mutual friend, Ed Rozek, then CMO of L Brands, introduced them on a blind date. They got married on the 26th of February 2009 in a small ceremony at St. Monica Catholic Church in Santa Monica, California. In April 2009, the couple had a second marriage ceremony in Costa Rica. Bündchen and Brady have 2 children, a son and a daughter. She was the stepmother of Brady's first son from a previous relationship with actress Bridget Moynihan. Bündchen and Brady are Catholics. On the 28th of October 2022, Bündchen and Brady finalized their divorce after 13 years of marriage. Since June 2023, Bündchen has officially been in a relationship with jiu-jitsu instructors Joaquim Valenti. The pair met in December 2021 when she started attending classes at Valenti and his 2 brothers' Miami-based self-defense academy, and were first romantically linked when they were spotted on vacation together in Costa Rica in November 2022, a month after Bündchen and Brady finalized their divorce. In October 2024, it was announced that she was pregnant with their first child together. As of February 2025, Bündchen had given birth to her 3rd child, her first with Valenti. The child was later revealed to be a boy. Bündchen and Valenti got married in Surfside, Florida on the 3rd of December 2025. In December 2021, Bündchen began training in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu under the Valenti brothers. After a little over 2 years of training, she was promoted to purple belt by them in December 2023. Wealth. In August 2011, Bündchen ranked 60th on the Forbes list of the world's 100 most powerful women. At age 31, she ranked 3rd on the 20 youngest power women of 2011 list. In 2011, Forbes named Bündchen and Brady as the world's highest paid celebrity couple. In August 2012, Bündchen was one of 4 people in the fashion industry and the only model to be ranked on the Forbes list of the world's most powerful women. At No. 83, she ranked 8th in the top 10 of the Forbes list of entertainment's highest paid women in 2012. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.